Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money. And today I'm to show you how to download Winrar for free. On any Windows. Completely free. Stay on until the end. Okay. Let's go into the tutorial. Open any browser and Google search Winrar. Open the first site which has Winrar download free and support. Without wasting your time. Here you have two options. The Buy Winrar and the Download Winrar options. Click Download Winrar. So here you have the Buy Winrar option. However, if you look closely, you can see a statement with these words. Continue to download Winrar. So click Continue to download Winrar. Now get free Winrar support for 40 days. These are just words. After the end of 40 days you will continue to use Winrar for free. A buy option or upgrade plan may appear at times. Just close it and continue to use Winrar for free. Once the download is over, click the Winrar download from the download folder to start the installation. Click Install and then click Continue. You can leave everything as default and then click OK. Then click Done. Wait a few seconds, a Winrar shortcut folder will appear, then right-click on the Winrar shortcut and then click Send to Desktop as a shortcut. So you are done with downloading and installing Winrar for free. That's it for today.